conifers that I can think of that you'll see are all pines. And they'll either be the white pines, which most of these are, or the pitch pines. You can see from these cones that these are the white pine variety because they're the longer, smoother cones. When we get to the pitch pines, you'll see they're short, stubby, and really rather sharp cones. For some reason, the pitch pines really hold on to their cones, unlike the white pines that just drop them all over. The pines grow on these little nubs, and for the different types of pine trees, you have a different number of needles on each one.
This device here, it's very old. It's called a Biltmore stick, and the students learn how to use this to be able to calculate the amount of board feet of usable lumber. And it can be used not just to calculate how much wood is in the tree, but also how tall it is and also the diameter. So we're going to measure the diameter of a tree.
Yeah, we're just walking, learning about nature. Yeah.